If you're watching this video now, it's because your guardian angels have a special message for you. They have been watching you closely and noticed that something extraordinary is happening in your life. Recently, a particular person has felt something unique, something they've never felt before, especially towards you. It's as if a new flame of emotion has been ignited within them, and they are about to share this with you. The angels say that someone has recently discovered deep and intense feelings of love for you. These feelings caught them completely by surprise. They did not expect to feel this way about you, as they have never felt something so strong for anyone before. This person will reveal their feelings soon, as they can no longer contain them. They are sure that, even though these feelings are new, they are intensely real. The intensity of these feelings is so overwhelming that they feel the need to express them to you. The feelings they have for you are too powerful to be suppressed. I repeat, this is completely new for them, especially regarding you. They will share this with you soon because keeping it inside is becoming unbearable. This person might be someone you have been close to for some time. Perhaps you have been close friends for a long time and never imagined it could evolve into something more than friendship. You share moments, confidences, and laughter, and now these feelings are transforming into something deeper and more significant. Or maybe it's someone with whom you've had a complicated relationship, full of ups and downs, and who now realizes that their intense feelings, which might have been masked with negativity, were actually feelings of love. They might have hidden these feelings out of fear or insecurity, but now they are impossible to ignore. Regardless of the exact details of the situation, the fact is that these newly discovered feelings were a big surprise for them, and likely will be for you as well. Surprises aren't always bad, but they can leave you puzzled about how to handle the situation, especially when you didn't expect it. However, your guardian angels are sending this message so it won't be an overwhelming shock. They want you to take time to reflect and make thoughtful decisions without acting impulsively. You are a strong and emotionally mature person, capable of handling this situation despite its surprising nature. It's important that you give yourself the necessary space to process this new information and understand the feelings involved. Take a deep breath and allow yourself to absorb everything calmly. This person loves you deeply and intensely. It might have taken them some time to realize this, but now they are fully aware. They wonder how they didn't realize it before. They always thought you were incredibly beautiful and captivating, but recently it seems something changed in their mind, allowing them to see the light. Now, they see you as the perfect person for them. They see someone with a kind heart and a warm soul. They see someone who makes them laugh until their stomach hurts. This new and profound perception of their feelings has made them understand that you are more than just an attractive person. You are the person they want to be with. They have been reflecting on your moments together, the shared laughter, the sincere conversations, and the moments of complicity. Every memory, every moment, contributed to the growth of this love. They realized that these interactions were building a feeling they could no longer ignore. Now, they see in you not just a friend or acquaintance, but the person they want to share their life with. They see a bright future with you, filled with love, joy, and mutual growth. This transformation in their feelings was not sudden. It was a gradual process of self-discovery, where they began to see the true depth of the connection you share. They began to value your qualities even more, your patience, your intelligence, and the way you light up any environment with your presence. All of this contributed to their understanding that what they feel for you is much more than friendship or admiration. It is true love. The guardian angels want you to be prepared for this revelation. They know it can be an emotionally intense challenge, but they also believe you have the strength and wisdom to handle it. They are by your side, offering support and guidance as you navigate this new phase of your life. Use this inner strength to make thoughtful decisions and do not rush your actions. Allow yourself to feel, reflect, and respond with your heart. When they finally open up and confess their feelings, try to put yourself in their shoes. Understand that they are being vulnerable, sharing something deep and personal. Your response may mean a lot to them, so be gentle and honest in your reaction. Remember that clear and open communication is essential in moments like this. They see in you a potential partner, someone with whom they can build a life. Someone who supports and inspires them to be the best version of themselves. And they want you to know that. They want you to understand the magnitude of their feelings and how much they value you. This love they feel is something that has grown and strengthened over time, and now they are ready to share it with you. He sees in you someone willing to do anything to care for and support the people you love. This trait of your personality is something he deeply values because it shows how dedicated and selfless you are. He is constantly overwhelmed by thoughts of you and how incredible you are. These thoughts appear at unexpected moments, and increasingly he realizes how special you are. He thought he had loved deeply before, but what he feels for you doesn't compare to anything he's ever felt. This love is all-encompassing in a way he never imagined possible. You are always on his mind, and images of you constantly parade through his thoughts. This feeling is completely all-encompassing. It's everything he believed love should be and more. He is excited and optimistic about this beautiful life he can only imagine by your side. He feels he has found in you a true connection, something that transcends the ordinary. He sees a bright future full of possibilities, where each day with you is a new opportunity to grow and be happy. Although it was a surprise, it was a welcome surprise because he can't imagine loving anyone else but you. He believes that you are his best hope for living a full and meaningful life. He sees in you a partnership that can face any challenge, overcome any obstacle, and flourish in any circumstance. This feeling he has for you is something he wants to cultivate and protect because he knows that something so rare and precious must be cared for with all the love in the world. He imagines a future where you both can share dreams, plans, and build something beautiful together. He also deeply values your ability to make him feel special. In your presence, he feels more confident, more valued, and truly appreciated. This is something he has never experienced in other relationships and makes him feel extremely lucky to have you in his life. He is aware that these feelings are mutual, and this only intensifies his desire to be with you. Every moment he spends thinking about you, he becomes more certain that you are the person he wants to spend the rest of his life with. He values your qualities, your strength, your empathy, and your generous heart. He realizes that you are someone who makes the world seem like a better place just by being in it. And he wants to be part of that world, by your side, every day. The vision he has of a future with you is full of happy and meaningful moments. He sees you both supporting each other, laughing together, facing challenges with courage, and celebrating achievements with joy. He wants to build a life where both of you can grow and develop, individually and as a couple. He sees a future where every day is a new adventure, full of love, understanding, and companionship. This love he feels for you is something he never imagined possible. It is a feeling that completely envelopes him, fills him with hope, and motivates him to be a better person. He knows that together you can achieve incredible things because he believes in you, in the strength of your love, and in the possibility of a bright future by your side. He will share his feelings with you soon because he wants to have the opportunity to build an authentic relationship. The hopes and dreams he has for both of you are something he deeply desires. He fears that you may not share the same feelings, but he is willing to risk everything for a chance with you. His feelings are too intense to be suppressed. He wants to shout to the world the love he feels for you. He wants to share these feelings to make you feel loved. He wants to make you the happiest person in the world because he knows you would do the same for him. He wants to take care of you and ensure that you always feel supported and loved. So, when this person reveals their feelings, know that they are sincere and authentic. It may be surprising, but it is real. His feelings may have surprised him, but they are deep and based on a great respect for you. If you are also surprised by this revelation, trust yourself and your decisions. Be open to the possibility of a new connection with this person. If you choose to move forward with this relationship, know that significant changes are coming. The dynamic of your current relationship with this person will undergo significant transformations, which can be scary. However, your heart and mind are strong enough to handle it. No matter how hurt you have been in the past, it is good to trust again and allow new connections to develop. Don't let fear stop you from seeking happiness. Every situation, even difficult ones, offers opportunities for growth and development, making you a more resilient person. You have repeatedly shown that you are capable of facing any challenge and deserve to be happy. The universe is on your side, no matter what decision you make, as long as you keep the faith. You are deeply loved and desired. Remember this, no matter what happens. His decision to share his feelings is an act of courage and vulnerability. He is putting his heart in your hands, hoping that you can see the sincerity and depth of his love. He wants you to know that he is not just talking about fleeting or superficial feelings. He is talking about something he believes to be lasting and true. He sees a future with you and is willing to do whatever it takes to make that future a reality. He wants to build a life by your side, a life full of meaningful moments and shared memories. He dreams of creating a home where both of you can feel safe and happy. He wants to be the one who makes you smile every day, who supports you in your difficult moments, and who celebrates your achievements by your side. He wishes to be your partner in every way, someone you can fully trust. This desire to build an authentic relationship is motivated by the respect and admiration he feels for you. He sees in you qualities that are rare and precious. He admires your strength, your kindness, your intelligence, and your capacity to love. He knows you are a special person, which is why he wants to be with you. By revealing his feelings, he is taking an important and significant step. He is opening his heart and showing who he truly is. He wants you to know that he is willing to face any challenge that may arise because he believes it is worth fighting for this love. He is ready to make commitments and sacrifices because he sees great value in having you by his side. On the other hand, he also understands that this revelation can be a big shock for you. He knows you may need time to process all of this and decide how you feel. He is prepared to give you the space you need to think and reflect. He doesn't want to pressure you or rush you into making a decision. He just wants you to know how he feels and that he is willing to wait for you. The courage he shows by opening his heart is something that should be valued. It is not easy for anyone to become vulnerable and express such deep feelings. He is doing this because he believes you deserve to know the truth and that, together, you can build something beautiful and meaningful. Be prepared for this revelation. Remember that you have the ability to handle it. You are strong, resilient, and capable of making thoughtful decisions. Don't let fear or uncertainty stop you from exploring this new possibility. Life is full of surprises, and some of them can lead to wonderful and transformative experiences. If you decide to move forward with this relationship, know that you are not alone. You have your guardian angels by your side, guiding and supporting every step of the way. They want the best for you and are always present, offering their protection and love. Trust yourself, trust the process, and be open to what the future may bring. Finally, remember that you are deeply loved and desired. This is a truth you should keep in your heart, no matter what happens. You deserve to be happy and find a love that is genuine and true. Believe in this and allow yourself to embrace this new opportunity with all your being. The future can be bright and full of joy if you let love guide your path. I end with a prayer for you. May the divine light guide you as you navigate this unexpected revelation of love and vulnerability. May you have the strength to embrace the surprise and the courage to explore new possibilities. It is important that you find clarity in your decisions, based on a deep understanding of your own worth. We are sending our love and protection as you enter this unknown territory. Always remember that you are worthy of happiness and love. Amen. May this new journey be illuminated by the divine presence, and may each step you take be guided with wisdom and serenity. The revelation of sincere love can be a challenge, but also an opportunity for a new beginning full of wonderful possibilities. Face it with an open and confident heart, knowing that you have the spiritual support needed to overcome any obstacle. You deserve to experience the fullness of love and the joy it can bring. Believe in your ability to make the right and fair decisions. Be aware of your inner strength and your ability to be happy. Amen. Take a moment to let these words resonate in your mind. Know that you are loved and protected by the universe. Type 999 to accept this message and the blessings it contains for you. Consider leaving a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness that nourishes the cycle of good karma. By spreading positivity, you attract good energies. Did you know that there is a possible image of your true soulmate that you can see now? It might be someone you know or someone you have yet to meet. It's amazing how accurate these images have been. You need to see the picture to understand what I mean. Click the link in the description to get your soulmate sketch. An important message awaits you in the next video. Will you listen? Stay with God and see you next time. Amen.